how you doing? Jack Scalfani here, and we are ready to try out this new product. I bought it on Amazon, so it came all beat up because it has to travel from the warehouse to here and all that. But then I saw it at Walmart, so a lot of check your stores, starting to get into stores now. I don't know if it's any good. I haven't tasted a biscuit or pancakes in years, so I'm kind of excited about that. It's called Carbquick. I think 90% fewer carbs, keto friendly. You could even make pizza crust out of this. You can make waffles out of this. Wow, make some chaffles. Anyway, this is gonna be interesting. Make a pot pie out of this. You can use this for a lot. This is kind of like a biscuit mix, okay? Like Biscuit, but it's called Carbquick, okay? So let's give it a try and we'll check it out and see if this stuff's any good. This is the deal. We got all our ingredients already measured out. So let's bring the bowl in. First thing we're gonna do is they want the butter cold. I'm not sure why they want it cold. Very seldom do I read a recipe where the butter's cold, but this one asks for it. So make sure all your paper's out of there. There we go. Come on. Come on. We got all the paper out? Yep, it's all butter. Okay, best thing to do is chop up your butter. They want it. You can use 2 knives. You can use your kitchen shears. Do whatever you can to get the butter all chopped up. Then it says once you've cut up the butter, go ahead and put your Carbquick mix in there. Put that all in there. I'm gonna give it a few more cuts to kind of incorporate the butter. Then it says to work get your cheese in, incorporate that. So let's start doing that now. Get that incorporated. Don't work the dough too much. More like a fold. You don't want to toughen up your dough. Now we're going to add the salt and the garlic. We'll just drop that in there. Okay, so I went ghetto. I didn't have heavy cream, but I had heavy whipping cream like in the can. So I'm going to mix the water with this, and it should blend together just nicely. I guess I just forgot to buy the heavy cream, but this will turn into cream. There we go. Get it all mixed together. There we go, got that done. All right. Now I'm going to use my hands. I just washed my hands. I'm going to use my hands to mix the dough, but this is the part you don't want to do it too tough. You don't want to do it too long, just enough to incorporate it all. All right, there's your liquid. Get it mixed in. Okay, then grab yourself a cookie sheet with the silicone sheet on it or slightly greased or sprayed. Okay, I've got my cookie sheet with silicone lining. So I'm going to start, let's put this back over here, back over there. Make sure you got all your batter mixed the way you want it. And you're probably going to want just small sizes like that. Kind of biscuit size, okay? Just like that. I'm going to lay that on the sheet. Go to the next one. They all look beautiful. You smell good. That's a good sign. Well, they look good. They're golden brown. The color's good. You can smell the cheddar and the garlic, almost like Cheddar Bay biscuits at Red Lobster. Okay, we're gonna let them cool for a little bit. Then we're gonna pull back, give them a try, and we're going to have our final thoughts. Okay guys, these smell really good. They got garlic and cheddar and goodness. I'm gonna give one a try and see if it's any good. See if they're loose. Yeah. They come right, look at that. Golden brown, beautiful. I haven't had a biscuit in ages. I may do breakfast sandwiches again. So let's see if this is good. That's crazy good. All right, so since they're good, once again, I recommend these. They're at Walmart, they're at Amazon, wherever you like to shop, I'm sure they're there, okay? So I want to know from you in the comment section, should I try this with pizza? Should I try this with pancakes? Tell me what I should do next, and I'll do another video with Carbquick, all right? I love you guys, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.